Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are going to learn the three characters ma, ba, and ne, using Chinese to indicate questions. How do we form questions with these words? And what's the difference between the three? Now, let's start with the ma first. First, let's have a look at the sentence. He is a teacher. In Chinese is 他是老师. But what if we want to inquire if he's a teacher? How do you form this question in Chinese? Well, let's take a look. 他是老师吗? All we need to do is put ma at the end of a sentence. As we can see in the sentence, we know that ma is placed at the end of the statement to form a question. For example, do you like dumplings? How should we ask the sentence in Chinese? Yes. 你喜欢饺子吗? Here is the next one. Will you go to Beijing tomorrow? How do we say this one in Chinese? Please give it a try. Yes. 你明天去北京吗? Next one. Do you have any siblings? Please try this one. Yes. 你有哥哥、弟弟、姐姐、妹妹吗? Actually, to be more efficient, we can just ask this way. 你有兄弟姐妹吗? So, 兄弟姐妹 is siblings in Chinese. 兄哥哥，弟弟弟，姐姐姐，妹妹妹。So together is 兄弟姐妹。Here is another one. Is the food at this Chinese restaurant delicious? Please try this one. Yes. 这家中国餐厅的菜好吃吗? Great! Like all the sentences we have just read, ma is placed at the end of a statement to form a question. But please pay particular attention here. Ma can only be placed after a statement. If the sentence is already a question or it already has a question, we can't use ma again. For instance, ma can't be used in a positive negative form question. Let's look at the example sentence together. Are you a student or not? In Chinese, we should ask like this. 你是不是学生? 是 positive. 不是 negative. So, 是不是 is like a question word to form a question. But is it correct to say like this? 你是不是学生吗? No, because 是不是 is forming a question already. We can't need to use ma again. Here is another occasion in which we cannot use ma. For example, who are you? In Chinese is 你是谁? Good, but can we say 你是谁吗? Can we put ma at the end of 你是谁? No, like we have just learned, ma can only be placed at a statement sentence. 你是谁 is a question sentence, so we can't use ma again. Okay, now let's move on to how we should answer questions that end with ma. In English, this kind of question is called interrogative question, which means you can either answer with yes or no. But in Chinese, it's a little different. For example, 你喜欢饺子吗? The simplest is response can be just a single character, 对, which means yes, affirming the question. Another way to answer is no question is to answer with the same verb used when the question was asked. A yes answer is to use the passive form of the verb used in the question, why a no answer is to use the negative form of the verb used in the question. For example, 你喜欢饺子吗？喜欢。Yes, I do. 你喜欢饺子吗？不喜欢。No, I don't. Here is the next example. 你明天去北京吗？ Will you go to Beijing tomorrow? If the answer is, you're going to Beijing tomorrow, how can we answer this question? Yes, 对 or yes, 去 What if the answer is no? 不去 Let's look at the sentence again. 你有兄弟姐妹吗？ If your answer is no, how should we respond? Yes, 没有 Keep in mind, please, the negative form of 有 is always 没有 Okay, and let's have a look at the sentence again. 这家中国餐厅的菜好吃吗？ In this sentence, we only have an adjective. So the is response, we will just use the same adjective used when the question was asked. If is, we can say 很好吃 or 还可以 not bad. If the response is no, we can say 不好吃 Good. Okay, let's move to 八 First, he's a doctor. 他是医生 Here, the statement 他是医生 is information that you already know. But when you add 八 at the end of a statement, you're asking for a confirmation, similar to saying, am I right? Or isn't he? In English. So the function of 八 being placed at the end of assumption is to indicate the speaker is asking for a confirmation. Next one. Tomorrow is Wednesday, isn't it? So you're thinking it's Wednesday tomorrow, but you still want to double check. Please try to ask in Chinese. Correct. 明天是周三吧? How about this one? This book is yours, isn't it? 这本书是你的吧? Good. And this one? They can speak Chinese, can they? 他们会说汉语吧? Great. Actually, 吧 can not only be used to confirm the assumption, but also can be used to make a suggestion. However, keep in mind, when we're making a suggestion with 吧, it's not a question sentence anymore. Like here, let's watch a movie tomorrow. Let's do something is a typical word used to offer or make suggestions. In Chinese, we can use 吧, so it's 我们明天去看电影吧. Suggest we watch a movie tomorrow. Here is another one. Let's take a break. 休息一下吧. Good. I think we should take a rest. Let's move on to the next word. 呢. First, let's have a look at the sentence. He'd like to drink coffee. What would you like to drink? How do you say this sentence in Chinese? Yes, 他想喝咖啡. 你想喝什么? Actually, we can ask it in a much simpler way. Like, what about you? In Chinese, it's 你呢? It's just as English we might say, and you? What about you? Or how about you? So, 呢 comes at the end of an abbreviated question, which follows right after a statement just made. Let's have a look how we can use these in our daily life. First one, I work to work. How about you? Here we're talking about the commute to work, please try to say the sentence with 呢 Yes, 我走路上班，你呢？你怎么上班？走路上班。Transportation comes before verbs. Here is the next one. You're Japanese. What about your wife? Let's try again. 你是日本人，你太太呢？你太太是哪国人？ Here's a dialogue. First, A is asking, how is everything going recently? 你最近怎么样？ And B said, I've been busy recently. How about you? In Chinese, 我最近很忙，你呢？ And A said, 我也很忙。I'm busy too. Good. Now, let's do some more practice. First one, 小李 can play baseball. What about 小王? How do we say in Chinese? Yes, 小李会打棒球。小王呢？小王呢 equals to 小王会打棒球吗？会 plus a skill 会打棒球。Here comes the next one. Shanghai is cold. What about 广东？上海很冷，广东呢？ Excellent. Using 呢 to soften the tones. 呢 can be used with some other questions words together, giving a softer, gentler tone of voice to the question. For example, shall we go shopping or watch a movie? 咱们去逛街呢，还是去看电影呢？ As you can see, we're using 呢 with the question word 还是 together to make your intonation sound much softer or tender. Here is another one. Would you like to drink tea or coffee? 你喝茶还是喝咖啡呢？ In this sentence, the two choices are using the same verb, 喝, so we can just put 呢 after the second verb phrase. Next one, why? 为什么? But this may sound like you're criticizing someone or something, and actually it's kind of rude or implied, unless it's said by boss or your parents. But if you put 呢 after this question, 为什么呢? It will sound more tender. Sometimes it may be more feminine. And here we're using 呢 with the question word 为什么 together. Here comes the last one. Can you do me a favor? 你能不能帮我个忙? 帮 somebody 忙 means to do somebody a favor. But to be more polite or softer, we can say it this way. I wonder, could you do me a favor? 你能不能帮我个忙呢? Okay, quick review. 妈 used at the end of a statement. 爸 also used at the end of a statement, but 爸 is used to confirm an assumption or to make a suggestion. And this is 呢 two usages. First, how about like A blah blah B 呢 used as an abbreviated question. Second, 呢 is used with some question word together in a question sentence to soften the tones of a question. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. 下次再见。